So at least I can say that my objective of doing the course with IntelliPad at that time was fulfilled. I got a job, I had a earning, at least I'm independent and I can support my family when they are needed the most.
Hi Somika, I'm Shweta from Digital Marketing Team.
Hi Shweta, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, how are you?
I'm good. Okay.
What was your background and skill set?
My background was SAP BO reporting tool was there, and I was doing a reporting part, and was MCA from Hitkarni Engineering College, Jabalpur, and I had a total experience around 13 years in IT industry.
So what was your objective of the training?
My objective was to learn this Azure, the cloud tool, which is much more familiar and made me confident in my work. Actually, I lost my job because of COVID in this from last year itself. Then I was searching and knowing about like where I'm lacking in this industry and what I can do for myself that I can grow. And I do not even in the COVID situation like this, I would be a good resource. So that's the aim basically to learn it and for my side, and I had to be in the industry for at least for next 10 years.
So after completing the course, was your objective fulfilled?
Yes, my objective fulfilled to, you can say to at least you can say from 100% we can say 90% it was fulfilled. Then because I got a job, so and even I answered the the way the trainer used to give me the answer, so I tried to be very precise and had a the word I had remembered his what he told me, so I used to give that same answer to the my the who has taken my interview. So that was really nice that I cleared my interview after this doing this course. So at least I can say that my objective of doing the course with IntelliPad at that time was fulfilled. I got a job, I had a earning, at least I'm independent and I can support my family when they are needed the most. So I'm really thankful to the IntelliPad that I have done that.
That's really great to hear, and congratulations on your new job.
Thank you, Shweta.
How was your experience with our career support team?
Career support team were really nice. Like even I requested them once, to have a resume related to my Azure Data Factory experience, because I was giving a very descriptive one and I was 13 years experience and various mix up like Microsoft technologies, POCs. So they gave me, you can say, a resume for reference, and they helped me a lot in that way.
Is there any special incident in the class which you like to share with us?
So once I asked him a lot of around 30 questions in one go. Like I have given around 20 to 30 questions, and the thing is like he started answering in just in every in every minute he was answering it and even clearing my doubts. So that was really touching part from the trainer. So I remember it always that he's so quick and so intelligent.
Would you like to recommend IntelliPad's course to your friends and family?
Yes, definitely. I would like to recommend this course.
Thank you, Somika. Have a nice day.
All the best.